right? Now, when you're setting up your ads, three things are very important. Or when you're writing your copy, when you're writing a post, any post, advert, anything, three things are important: the headlines, the images, and the copy. Right? Now, headlines have to be scroll stoppers. What do I mean by scroll stoppers? The person is on the phone and is going woogu 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 woogu, rubbish, and it's going woogu woogu woogu, and it just gets to see, let's say it gets to see your image, right? So the image is usually the first thing the person will see, especially if it's on Instagram. If it's on Instagram, image is usually the first thing the person will see, and the person stops to take a second look, like, wow, this is good, right? So your image has to be a stopper. 1, 2, your headline. When the person now goes down to the headline, that's the next thing they will see. The headline has to be worth it. All right, it has to be something that sounds like, what's my favorite line? I have a favorite line that I always use at this point. Linda Ikeji's sister marries Kanu Wanko's brother. Right? Your headline has to be a stopper like that. Do you understand? So if you can create that, fine. Now, it is when the image has stopped them, then they are looking at the headlines. That is when they can now see the copy that you write. So all those beautiful things that you write under, if the image or the video does not stop them first, you won't go anywhere. So remember what my definition was for marketing. Remember what I said? All right, the set golden definition. That marketing is a contest for people's attention. Now, you are contesting against WhatsApp messages that are telling lies about COVID, that are telling how people can drink salt and water, telling how people can take agbo and it will cure COVID, telling people that they can drink hot, what do they call that thing? What do they call that drink? Ogogoro, and they can, they can cure COVID. Do you understand? You are competing against all those messages, right? You are competing against TV time. You are competing against Netflix, right? You are competing against everything. You're not just competing against somebody on Instagram. You are competing against anything that is taking that person's attention. So you must understand that if you are going to keep the person's attention, you need to be better than whatever the person is paying attention to at that time. All right. So your videos have to be better. Your images have to be better. You have to put in some effort. Please respect your customers. Respect the people that consume your content. Put in effort in content creation. Don't just wake up and post anything. All right. You just carry your clothes, put on the floor, snap it, and post it. After all, people always buy. So I put it on the floor. Come on. Just hold something against a very dirty wall and you just post it. All right. Respect the people that consume your content. All right. Respect Flopetina. Hi, welcome. All right. Thank you for joining us. Respect the people that consume your content. Give a little more time to content creation. Spend time creating good content, good images, good videos. All right. Good headlines before you not talk about whatever you want to talk about. Do you understand? Very, very. Hello, Dr. Obi. Dr. Oge. Good afternoon, ma. Welcome. All right. So, happy Good Friday to everybody. I didn't even wish you guys happy Good Friday. Happy Good Friday, guys. Happy Good Friday. All right. So, do you understand what I'm saying? Right? It is absolutely important that you guys get what I'm trying to say. Right? Respect those that are consuming your content. Create good content for them. All right. Use good headlines. Use good images. Now, this is something I always say. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, ma. This is something I always say about content creation. Right. When you are using images, try if you can to use faces. Right. Faces work a lot. Right. Faces eating your cake. Faces reading your book. So as I was saying, whatever it is you are selling, try to add faces that relate to whatever it is, right? Get faces, get people to do stuff, right? Babes connect more than women, women connect more than men, men connect more than inanimate objects, right? So human beings generally connect more than your phone, than your browser, than your iPad, your share, your house, all those other things that you post, right? Human beings generally connect more. So do a lot to go for human beings, right? So as I said, I covered all of this in detail in my social media course, so if you need that, you can tell me, we could have a conversation, right? Now, another thing you need to sort out is you need to learn to start setting up automations for your business, right? It is possible to automate posting for certain things, right? There is something that I call IFTTT. It's an app, IFTTT, if this then that, right? This app makes it possible. Hello, Amaka. Oh, Amaka. Hello, Amaka. Welcome. Thanks. All right. So you have tools that can help you automate, right? So you can automate posting. You can post somewhere and tell that tool to repost in another place, right? Can't hear you again. Okay. So if you can't hear me again, I probably need to start up this thing. I need to probably start up this this video. Please, who can hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Adilson, hi, welcome. So who can? All right. So I was saying, so IFTTT, if this then that, is an app that automates, and I use it a lot because you can't be on every social platform. Sometimes it's a lot of work. If you can, better for you, right? But since you have so many things to do, right? So why not just automate the ones that could be automated, right? You can automate posting, you can schedule posting, you can schedule posts. Facebook has a post scheduler. Facebook page has a post scheduler. You could do that. You could also use apps like Buffer. Okay, it's audible now. Okay, yes, thanks. All right, so Facebook has apps like Buffer and what's the other one? Buffer, that says Facebook has. No, so there are apps like Buffer, Suite that can help you with scheduling. All right, those are two good apps that you could use. Right. All right. Hi, Sam. Welcome, Sam. All right. So I've talked about knowing your audience. Now I'm talking about understanding your audience. Understand the kind of content that they consume. Understand what makes them tick. All right. Donald Trump understands his audience and he knows how to adjust them and move them and make them holler and make them shout and make them scream. He knows how to work them. So you need to know the same thing. You need to be able to work your audience. You need to understand your audience. You need to know what makes them tick, what makes them, jump, what makes them excited. You need to know how to play all those things. So understanding your audience is key. And one of those things that can help you is when you check out your analytics, right? Looking at your analytics, that can help you, really understand what is happening with your audience, right? Because you'll notice that maybe when you post something, they like this one, they don't like this one, all right? So you just say, okay, let me focus more with what they like. The thing I always say is this: your content is not for you. Content is for your audience. So don't post as if it's for you. If it is for you, just be looking at it in your house now. You don't need to post it. Do you understand what I'm saying? But when you want to post it, it is because you want some other person to share in it. Right? So understand them and give out, we do it in a way that will make sense. For example, Nigerian audiences, how many of them are awake at 2 a.m. in the morning? Why do you post at 2 a.m. in the morning? Right? Why did you post at 3 a.m.? We were sleeping. If we're not sleeping, we were doing some other things that does not concern you. It does not concern you what we're doing at that time. So why do you post at that time? All right. Mulero Wordsmith, hi, welcome. I am Richard, hi, welcome guys. Thank you for being here. All right. So why do you post at that time? Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't post at that time. We're not interested in what you're posting at that time. Do you understand? Right? Post when we wake up. We wake up 5, 6. All right. Morning devotion 7. We're up, jumping up and down. Right? We're up. Do you understand? So try to post when we are up. So that is still comes down to understanding your audience. Where are you posting? Are you posting in Nigeria? Are you posting in the US? Understand the audience there. Understand the culture. All right, there are some things you just can't. We're not in US. There's some words you just can't be using. All right, I'm good at use all of that, but I'm just talking about things that connect generally. All right, understand the culture, understand the words, understand the people that basically follow you. Now, if you do not, and you're posting things that they don't like, or they will not, they don't agree with, they will walk away. And when they walk away, you start losing followers. All right, then you now look at another person and say, hey, that person is cheating or buying followers, or the difference is that person understands the audience and is putting out what the audience likes. You do not. Do you understand? Okay. Now, I've talked about setting up your profile well. That is absolutely key. If you have a profile, you have to make sure that your profile is set up well with the keywords that people will use to search for you. All right? People do not search with the words that you want. People search with the words that they want, with the words they are looking for something, so they search. Do you understand? So how many times do you use the words that you're looking for? All right?